everybody, Ryan here from Android Coliseum, here to do a quick unboxing of the Google TV, well, the Chromecast with Google TV. Now, I have a Nexus player and I love it, but it doesn't play Stadia. And recently the Chromecast got updated to play Stadia, so I'm looking forward to replacing the Nexus player. I don't know what I'm going to do with the Nexus player. I love it. I still love that thing. But we'll try this out. So I just want to unbox it, and you will have a review up in the next little while for it. So let's just cut open some of this. Be very careful with those X-Acto blades. Alright, garbage. Okay, open it on up, and we get what's going to be our Chromecast, I assume. I love my Chromecast. We call it Chromer upstairs, the one we use. Chromecast Ultra that I got with the Stadia went back when. And there we go. So, does it magnetically attach like the other one does? No, guess not. But doesn't matter. Okay, looks like it's got a USB-C port for power now. That's going to be interesting. And then this is the neatest thing. This is what I really wanted to play around with, because I mean, this is what makes Roku probably the nicest sort of streaming device out there. You get a very simple to use remote. So the fact that you can do this now with Chromecast, awesome. So very simple to use. We have home, we have YouTube, Netflix buttons automatically. I wonder if they can be reset. No, let's see. Batteries. It's going to use AAAs. Good, because I have a bunch of AAAs. I really wish they'd come up with some sort of like wireless charging option. Just put it down, charge it up. That'd be great. Instruction manual, should you want to look at that. And then we got power to plug in. So USB-A to USB-C. So that'll be a little bit of a pain in terms of where I got mine plugged in. The Chromecast is just plugged into the TV for power. Maybe I can do the same for this one. Anyways, I'll have a full review up. This is the Chromecast with Google TV. Talk to you guys soon.